Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Prelisa. Here on this channel you will see me doing home decor, styling, vlogs, shop with me, lifestyle, and much more. In this video I'm just taking you along with me as I update my home. Okay love, so I'm in the process of updating my closet. So I pulled up the carpet, well my husband pulled up the carpet, and we're gonna put some vinyl planking he's gonna put some vinyl planking down here. I'll help him as much as I can. I have a closet company coming in next week that's gonna pull these wire shelving out, and they're gonna put me a new closet system in here. I'm not gonna be using these containers. Once I get my closet updated, I won't be using these containers here in my closet. And yeah, so I'm excited about getting a new closet in here to fit my style, and I'll be taking you guys along with me. Not sure if everything will be in one video or if I'll have multiple videos, and I definitely will be taking you along with me. So I plan on changing that light fixture out if I can. I want to put a little small miniature chandelier. I'm not sure if I'll be able to. I may have to just get something flush to the wall because I'm not sure how far my closet system is gonna come out up there. I'm not sure at all, but yeah, I'm excited. So okay, the floor is getting put down. I think my husband is doing an awesome job. Okay love, so I have a few projects going on right now. I'm going to try to share them all with you. We're going to go into my master bathroom where we're getting our shower updated. We had the shower pulled out, and I'll come back later because I don't know why I didn't do more clips here. I'll come back later and show you what they've done so far. So now I'm in my kitchen, which is another project. I'm getting this backsplash installed in my kitchen. The guys are doing an awesome job. As you can see here, I'm loving it. So I'm going to show you the other side of the kitchen. So this is the other side of the kitchen. By the way, I do have a new stove here, and I'll share that with you later in the video. But you can see my house is a mess right now. Stuff is all over the place in actually 3 rooms, or maybe say 4 if I count my guest bedroom where all my clothes are. They came from the closet, but I lined my floor pretty good so that the guys won't damage my floor. But you also can, I was just zooming in showing you how the backsplash look from my living room. I lined my entire floor to protect it. Okay love, so today is Wednesday, and I'm just giving you an update on what's going on here with my kitchen refresh. So the guys are done with the backsplash. The only thing that they need to do is install my wall plates when they come in. I had a few, but I had to order some more from Amazon. Let me show you. So here's the other side that's done, and this is my favorite side. For some reason, all of this together is giving me some vibes over here. So this one is gonna go over here, which is where I had it. I just need to wipe it down. And I have one coming in today for this one. So this side is pretty much done. They've already did all of the stuff they need to do over here. And let me show you something, love. So I'm not sure, I hope I'm not making y'all dizzy because I don't have my phone on my stand. So I ordered this stove liner because my stove is actually silver at the bottom. So I ordered this liner. I'm not sure how it's going to stand up because it had good reviews and it had bad reviews. So the people that gave it the bad reviews had the fire going directly on the liner. And so I may not have a problem because they're saying it's not really heat resistant. So I may not have a problem because with my stove, the liner is not directly on the fire, because when I turn on my fire, let me show y'all. Okay, light. Oh, that's in the back. Well, I can leave the back on. So then, let me show you this one. Yeah, so it's not a direct hit on the liner. So I looked at some of the reviews on Amazon. One lady posted a video. Her fire was a direct hit on the liner, and so it was burning, tortured and burning the liner as she had the fire on. So I shouldn't have that problem as long as I don't have a direct hit. I'm going to have to trim this one here a little bit more. That way I can move this over some. Because for some reason this one is a tad bit crooked a little bit. So I ordered this liner from Amazon. And I should have ordered silver. Because I like the silver overlay. I may order a silver one. Depending on how this one hold up. But yeah, I like this because it's reusable. And when you're cooking, you know, the food crumbs and grease and stuff pop everywhere. Well, it's still dusty on here from the guys working yesterday. I need to wipe this down. But yeah, your food, the grease and stuff pops off and, you know, damage your stove or whatever. So I know stove is going to get some wear and tear, but I just want to keep it as neat and tidy as I can. So this is a new stove. It's a Samsung Smart Things. Supposed to be Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Look at that. I've never seen a Wi-Fi stove. Look at that. You can control your stove from your phone or from your computer. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, so this is my, oh, and look. I know you guys probably already have this, but when I open the oven, the light comes on. And it's actually an air fryer. My husband took the tray out. I don't know why he took the air fryer tray out. But he took the tray out. And let me show you something else. So I'm holding my phone. And so please forgive me if I'm making you dizzy. I normally use my gadget to hold it. So this thing also, the liner also came with a oven liner. And so I wouldn't put it at the bottom down there. I would actually just line this, especially if I'm air frying or whatever. Let me put it in there. I have it in there. So if I'm air frying, because it does come, let me grab the air fryer tray. Place the air fryer tray back in here. So yeah, so there's a tray and there's a liner. So, you know, if you're air frying something, whatever is going to pop, can pop actually on that liner. And it's not a direct heat to the fire, so that should be fine. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, so that's what's going on here in my kitchen. New tiling, new stove. I'm going to add some hardware to my cabinets because I don't have any on this side. But over on this side, I have the older hardware that I had for quite some time. I want to change that out. I'm going to refresh the paint on my cabinets because we pretty much stretch a lot of paint off of the cabinets with wear and tear or whatever because we actually painted these cabinets. So once I change my knobs, paint, add my wall features, my kitchen will be updated. I'm going to go ahead and try to keep the stove refrigerator. I was going to get a new refrigerator, but Samsung came out and fixed my ice maker. So I'm good to go with that. And I'm working on figuring out what I'm going to do with the, what you call those things? The gaskets. Because the gaskets, I can't get them clean. I've tried vinegar and, what did I try? Lemon and baking soda. I've tried Clorox. I've tried different things from Lowe's and Home Depot. And nothing's cleaning them like I want them. I want them to be white or at least off-white, but right now it has like a black stain from the mold and mildew buildup that was on there. So yeah, so this is what's going on here in the kitchen. I still have the paper down because they're still working in the bathroom. And as you can see, I have furniture. I moved my bench from here to the guest bedroom back there. And I have all the stuff for my kitchen cabinets over here. And I have some more kitchen cabinet stuff in my home office. I moved my bar cart from here. I moved it over there for now. This room is okay. It's not The only thing I need to do is clean my water feature off, but other than that, this room is fine, except for my extra storage that I have. Let me take y'all to the bathroom to show you how it looks. So, my house is a mess right now, under construction. My bed is not made either. So, this is what's going on in the bathroom. So, I'm getting a shower here. They're going to tile the floor of the shower, tile that, and they're going to go up, I think he said 7 or 8 foot with the tile. Got me a new shower head and whatever. So that's step number 1 with the updates in the bathroom. But then I'll do the tub later and my vanity later. Just doing one thing at a time. I'm not trying to break the bank or nothing like that. Trying to do it affordably. So, yeah, I'm really going to love this shower. I'm excited about it. So, yeah. So, still got the paper down over here. As you can see, some mess over here. All my stuff is all pushed over to the side. But we're getting it done. Another project that I have going on is my closet. I had my husband to pull the carpet up out of here. And I have a closet company coming on Monday. They're going to demo, pull down the wire shelving, and they're going to paint it and install me a new closet system. But for now, all my clothes and majority of my shoes is in my daughter's old bedroom. Like, it's a hot mess. I got clothes. It's like a mountain of clothes in there. And so, yeah, this is what's going on here in my closet. So I have a few projects going on. So this is actually one time that you're seeing in my house a complete disaster because it's expected. Usually we don't show our homes when it's a complete disaster, but yeah, so you can see the extra storage stuff in there. I would show you the other room, but it's really, really, really a disaster. Now, this room is not bad. This room is still together. I have a few things out of order in here, but other than that, it's okay. Excuse me, guys. So, it's gloomy outside today. So yeah, I have this little thing down here on the floor, and I put it there because it's been raining outside. So I put that at the door to keep the guys from tracking wetness in, along with the grass, dirt, and the sand. So this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I'll come back on Monday with another video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.